Hi guys. So our first demonstration will be about our application, the login screens, and the admin module of the employee management. So hope you're able to see my screen. I'll take you through how our admin module has been built. So the screen currently which you are looking at is our login screen. Here you can have your own company's logo. The user ID and password can be generated from EasyHR application. We also have multiple factor authentication, like you can also authenticate yourself through Google Workspace or Microsoft 365, as well as we can also connect with your Active Directory, which is on-prem Active Directory. We also have our own internal employee authentication module, which has been built up. Here you can, so once you are registered as a customer, all your employee gets their login IDs and password into the application, and then they can log in. In case a user forgets his password, we also have a mechanism for forget password, and basically an email is triggered on his email ID where he can retrieve his password. So this is my login screen. What I'm going to do is I'm logging in with my admin credentials, and I'll take you through my entire admin module. So the moment you log in into the EasyHR application, here you can see the dashboard of my application. So my dashboard consists of various portlets, which are like anniversaries, upcoming birthdays, approval list, current employee status, consolidated task list, help desk. So all the modules are visible to the admin. Here you can see my entire module list, which is available in the EasyHR application. I will take you through the main employee master module. So once you go on to the employee management module, you can see all the employees are listed over here. And I can just click on one of the employee, and we have the entire details of the employee which is there. So basically we cover around 200 plus data fields of an employee in our application, right from their employee code, gender, marital status, managerial details, functional manager details, designation, location, department, uh, the employee's professional summary, past professional summary, like their educational details, work experience, awards, recognitions, publications, training information. Also, all about their personal details like their home address, permanent address, which office they belong to, any of their emergency contact information, emergency family details. In case of any medical information which the employee has, we can cover that. Insurance, what languages do they speak, their social profiles, they whatever documents they have given at the time of onboarding, be it their PAN card, Aadhaar card, passport copy, past employment certificates, everything you can upload it into the EasyHR application. Our application also has an agreement module, basically the contract module between the employer and the employee. So we can view the agreement which is there in the system itself. Here, we can also view the employees' compensation details, like their pay structure, whatever are their payable components to the employee in the company. So here, whatever you are seeing in green is my earnings, and whatever you're seeing in the red is the deduction component. And then based on the CTC and the number of payable days, your salary slip gets generated. Here we also have an option where the employee can declare their investments for their current financial year. Based on their CTC and the investment declaration, the tax computation happens, and the employee themselves can view the tax computation. As per Indian taxation and statutory laws, we have both the options available, be it their old regime calculation or the new regime calculation. Both of the options are available in the system itself. So this basically part covers the employee management from an employee's perspective. In the next video, I will also take you through the features what an admin can do, how he can add an employee, how he can update an employee information. We also have features like bulk upload. So in case there are multiple employees who are joining your organization at one go, we have an Excel import option also available, and how you can basically bulk upload all the employee information in the application. Thank you and stay tuned.